Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Gather a new cabin air filter fitted for your Mazda CX-5 and basic tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver and a flashlight. Park the vehicle on level ground and engage the parking brake. Turn off the ignition and remove the key before starting any work. Allow the HVAC system to cool for approximately 15 minutes to avoid hot components. Wear gloves to keep the filter and hands clean during replacement. Keep parts organized on a towel to prevent losing small clips or screws nearby. Open the glove box fully and empty its contents onto a clean surface. Detach the glove box damper arm carefully by hand to avoid breaking the plastic connector. Squeeze the glove box side stops inward to lower it past its normal stops. Support the glove box as you depress the stops and let it hang down gently. Remove the two lower mounting screws with a Phillips screwdriver to free the glove box. Lower the glove box until you can see and reach the cabin air filter housing cover clearly. Locate the cabin air filter housing cover behind the lowered glove box and remove it. Pull the old filter straight back and inspect it for debris and moisture. Note the airflow arrow printed on the filter frame to maintain correct orientation. Insert the replacement filter with its airflow arrow pointing into the cabin system. Slide the filter fully into the housing until it seats evenly on both sides. Reinstall the housing cover, secure the glove box screws, and reattach the damper arm. Close the glove box and run the...
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.